Hello, welcome to a new episode of SketchUp.US, SketchUp for Us. Today we'll have something fun. We'll do something like a sculpture. Basically, I'm trying to show you also during those training presentation in SketchUp the capability of this software. Basically, we can do 3Ds for sculptures, for houses, for everything which is related to the art part of the 3D sort of things, we can say. So today I want to pay some respect to one of the famous sculptures. Is one which was born in Romania. His name is Constantin Brancusi. And let's take a look on Google. Who's Brancusi? Okay, so it's this gentleman here. Constantin Brancusi is a famous sculptor and painter. What we're going to try today is actually to build something like this. You can search about Constantin. Mr. Brancusi was living almost 100 years ago, very famous. And if we take a look on his, let's say if we go back a little bit and we take a look to the images which Brancusi did, you're gonna see he's quite sculptural. Today we'll try to do this one, which is in Romania. The name of this sculpture is actually endless column. In Romanian they call it coloana infinitului. And as you can see, it's quite cool. So let's see how we can do that very fast in SketchUp. So here's how we're gonna do. For this exercise, we'll use a box, let's say 1 by 1, and we're gonna extrude this one up top with push-pull. We'll go 1, and here it is. We got a cube. So how we can make this cube an endless column? Well, first of all, we need to make this either a group, either a component. And after that, with the scale tool, if we click on S, we can, first of all, we need to select the upper face, which is only the top one, this one here. And we're gonna scale only the top one, let's say 50% from the center. So if you click on S, you're gonna have the scale tool, and make sure you click on Option key on Mac or Control key on Windows. And from here you can go up to 0.5, which is 50%. You can modify this by typing any scale you want. So here it is. We scale this one, and we're gonna have a pyramid without the top, and we can copy this one. And since we have the dimension as 1, we can move this on the vertical and click again on Option to make a copy, and we're gonna push 2 on the keyboard, which means I move this one with the copy a little bit more than I need. The reason why is when you're gonna do the scale, you're gonna scale back at -1, and here it is. We got our element for the endless column. The only thing which we need to do right now, again, you need to move this object with a copy on the vertical, and if you multiply this by 10, here it is. This is the endless column, the sculpture of Constantin Brancusi. Hope you like it. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. We're gonna have a lot of trainings, simple trainings like this coming, which is gonna help you enhance your skill in SketchUp.